Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first project pan video of this year. I hope you enjoyed my decluttering series, and before we get to the main point of today's video, I would like to address a few things because I can't just sit here and get right to the point without acknowledging these things. So first of all, a massive thank you for all the support and love you have shown on my decluttering series, and the fact that you haven't just forgotten about me and my channel, because I haven't actually filmed for a few months. And then also a big thanks for all of the new subscribers who have all of a sudden decided to support me and my channel, and who probably like my channel and the content that I post, hence why you subscribed, or I'd like to think that that's the reason. I think it is in order for me to reintroduce myself. So I am Sim, and I like to film videos about beauty and just anything to do with makeup, from tutorials to project pans to weekly makeup bags to decluttering and blah blah blah. And I am currently trying to post every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but as you can tell probably, I've not posted anything this week's on Wednesday and Monday. And that's probably the other thing that I want to address, which is because I am ill. I look shocking, so excuse the makeup, excuse that my eyebrows are not twins, and whatever else is going on wrong with my face right now. And I am really sorry if you cannot understand me. When I'm ill, I get extra Eastern European, so sorry if you can't understand me, but I don't want to leave you without any video, so that's why we are filming this right now. This is not the usual way you would normally see me, but at the moment we're filming this video together, me and my boyfriend, who's behind the camera right now. I'm saying camera, I mean my phone. And that's why I am so distant, and that's why probably you can't hear me as well as you will in the future videos. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say, so let's get into the 10 products that are going to be part of my project pan and I want to go through this year. So I am going to be going in order of products that I would use on my face. So the first product that I would like to get through this year, or try to get through, is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. It looks like this, and I bought this thinking it's going to be very hydrating because that's what it says on the title of it, but in fact it is very silicone based, pore-filling type of primer, so I don't really get along with this product, but obviously I paid for it and I want to get through as much as I can of it, so that's why it is in my project pan. The next product is this Max Factor Pan Stick Foundation. Mine is in the shade 25 Fair, and this is roughly how much there is left of it. Just give me a second to roll it up all the way. This is roughly how much there is left of this foundation. We will be referring to this picture right here throughout the year to see how much I got through. I've had this foundation for a couple of years now. I mean, it is still good, it hasn't gone off, but obviously I don't want to have it for too much longer, so I want to get through this foundation before it goes off. The next two items are concealers. The first one is the Rimmel Wake Me Up Concealer in the shade Ivory. It looks like this, and I've had this concealer for a while. It seems to have quite a lot of product still in it. Obviously I can't really show you how much product is in there, but I want to use it up because I don't reach for it anymore, but obviously I don't want it to go off. And then the second concealer is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW01. I think that's porcelain, yes. And it looks like this, and again, it's just one of those concealers that there's quite a lot of product. I've not been using it enough, but I don't want it to go bad, so I want to use it up as soon as possible, especially because it already starting to stink a little bit. Like, I don't know if it's meant to smell like it, so I want to use it up by the end of this year ideally, but probably sooner, hopefully. The next product that I would like to at least hit pan on by the end of this year is the Bourjois Healthy Balance Powder Foundation, or just powder, in the shade 52 Vanilla, and it looks like this. And I'll open it up so we can see how much is left in the product. I would like to hit at least a pan on this concealer, I would like to at least hit pan on this powder. I've not been really reaching for it. I've had it for a few months now and I've not reached out for it. That's why I want to include it in this year's project pan, and hopefully I can at least hit the pan on it. For bronzer, I chose the Model's Own Sculpture and Glow palette in the shade light to medium. It looks like this on the outside, and you open it up and this is what it looks like on the inside. And obviously I want to at least hit pan on this bronzer shade. I want to ignore these two powders, just do whatever I want with them, but this shade right here I would like to at least hit pan on. I'm choosing this product just because I don't like the highlighter and the blush from this palette, so once I use up this bronzer I'm getting rid of this palette anyway, so I just want to speed up the process by including it in the project pan. For blush, I chose the Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade 10 Adorable. It looks like this on the outside, and when you open it up this is what the product looks like on the inside. I would like to ideally at least hit pan on this blush, but obviously I will be really happy if I manage to use up most of it. The only reason why this blush is included in the project pan is just because I've had this blush for the longest time ever. This is probably one of my oldest blushes out there, so I just want to make it look like I've actually used it, and that's why it's in the project pan. Now I have two highlighters that I would like to include in this year's project pan, and the first one is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl highlighter in the shade Diamond Dust. I bought mine on eBay. It looks like this. I'll show you the picture of the actual product so we can track the progress of how much I'm getting through it. Again, I bought this on Beauty Bay, and it is really nice highlighter, but it's not something that you can buy anymore on Beauty Bay because it was limited edition as far as I know. And just generally, like as I said, it's nice highlighter, but I don't reach for it as much because it is quite out there pink. So for that reason, I would like to at least hit pan on this highlighter, if nothing more. And then the other highlighter that I would like to talk about is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. It looks like this from the outside, and then you open it up and this is what mine looks like on the inside. I mean, mine looks quite beaten up, and I've already hit like the pan on the shade Forever Young, which is this one right here. But I would like to completely use up this shade and hit the pan on Kitty Cat and Forever Lit, which are these two shades. Those are the other two shades that I can pull off with my skin tone. And yeah, all the other shades I don't really like, or I can't pull off. So once I hit pans and completely use up those three highlighters, I will be getting rid of this palette, and that's why they are in the project pan, and that's why I want to speed up the process of it all. And then the last product I want to talk about is this e.l.f. It's like a gel for your eyebrows, but also eyeliner, and I obviously use it as a brow pomade. This is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if we'll be able to track much of a progress on this product, but the only reason why I'm including it in a project pan is because I have only one more pomade after this, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I use that quite frequently, so I don't want to forget about this one, and I want to keep using it because obviously I don't want it to dry out, and that's why it's in the project pan. But obviously I'm not too bothered if I don't hit the pan on this actual product. And that's it, guys. That's all for today's project pan video. I will try to update you on the products that I am trying to get through this year about every 2 to 3 months. And obviously we'll do the whole picture thing so you can see how much I've gone through with the product. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have any makeup products that you would like to hit pan on or completely use up. For whatever reasons, that's completely up to you why you do your project pan, if you do any at all. Also, little disclaimer, the next couple of videos that will be on my channel will probably be in this same kind of outfit, me still sounding really ill, and that's because I'm just simply pre-filming all these videos just in case I am working or not feeling great or whatever, just so that I have something ready to put out for you guys so you don't think that I'm just slacking off. And other than that, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. All the products will be linked down in the description box right there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and just show me some love like you've been showing me for the past several videos that I've been putting out. I really do appreciate it. And other than that, I hope you're having an amazing day wherever in the world you are, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye!